So the police call. They say, "Hey, Ryan, we need you to come down to the station. We just got a few questions we want to ask you. Just need to get your side of the story, and then we'll be able to wrap this all up, and you'll be on your way." Here's the deal. They're probably lying. Okay. I've never seen them just want your side of the story and then they let you go. And you have no responsibility to go down there and talk to them, right? When they invite you down to the station or they say it's voluntary or consensual, this is their trap they're setting, right? They want to get a recorded statement from you. They want to use it to try to create inconsistencies in the story. You are a suspect. Everything you say to them can be used against you in court. And if you go down there and it's voluntary, they don't have to read you Miranda. They don't have to tell you that you have the right to remain silent, that you have anything you say can and will be used against you in court, that you have the right to a lawyer. If you can't afford a lawyer, they'll appoint you one. All of that. If you go down in their little trap, in their little voluntary statement where they just want to get your side of the story, they don't have to tell you about your rights because they don't care about your rights. They care about making an arrest and closing in a case. So when you are called by law enforcement and they want you to come do this voluntary thing, first of all, you need to stay calm and polite. Don't argue. You don't need to be too inquisitive. You need to ask them, am I under arrest? Let's say you're in person and they say, hey, why don't you come back to the station with us, do an interview? You need to ask them, am I under arrest? Because if you're not, you don't have to go, okay? And you say, you know what, guys, I'm not comfortable talking to you without my lawyer. I'm going to get in touch with a lawyer and then we'll be in touch with you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. It is the most important and strongest part of your defense. You've got to use it. It doesn't make you look guilty. It makes you look smart. If the police contact you, don't go down there by yourself. Contact a lawyer. Let your attorney handle the communication and don't fall for their trap.